Hello, my name is Paul Mario, and thank you for your interest in WatchTVAbroad.com. Please follow this step-by-step video guide, which will show you exactly how to set up your Watch TV Abroad system using some software that I grant you and using some unique licensing, passwords, usernames, everything you need to be able to watch TV abroad. Take notes if necessary, and press the pause button on the video if you need to catch up. So let's go through this step by step. Let's start with step 1, the most important step. You need to enter your name and primary email address below. Let's go to the website where you're watching this video, and just below this video is a space for your first name and email address. This is important because this will then process an email where you get the latest username and password that you'll need, and also the link to download the software. So go and enter that information right now. Step 2. Go to your email and open the email from WatchTVAbroad.com. Print out the details and save the email. This will be pretty much instant. The email goes out instantly, and here's the email I've got that's come through already. It's from WatchTVAbroad.com, and in here is the link and other information that you'll need. So print that and save it. Step 3, download your software and save it to your desktop. So let's do that now. Here's the link to download. If this link doesn't work, just copy and paste it into your browser. This will then go and open a file. You have chosen to open the file. So let's save the file, and that will then download. There we are, starting to download. And there we go. What I need to do then is open the container folder, and just for ease, I'm deciding to save this on my desktop so I know exactly where it is for future. So what I do, I just then right click and send this to my desktop. There we go. Step 4. Open and run the saved file from your desktop. This will install the file and ensure that you have administrator rights on your PC to enable you to do this. So let's go and do that now. Let's go to my desktop. Here it is here. Let's double click to run, and yes, we want to run. So this is like downloading any software. You need to agree to the license. You need standard installation. Hit next. Keep these as they are. Hit next, and then install. It installs pretty quickly. Hit next, and you're done. Step 5. Open the software and enter the license number from your email. So let's open the software. So let's hit finish. Open the software. Here is the section for your access key or your license. Go back to the original email that you received. And here you have the license. Let's copy that and paste that into here. Leave the rest the same. Hit OK. And then it's opening up the software. And here we are. Here's the software. Very simple to use. A number of setting features up here, which we won't really need. This is the most important thing, this drop-down menu here. This gives you the country that you would like to connect to, and also then the connect button. And this here will then determine how many minutes you would like to be connected to that particular server. Very simple to use. You can also actually scroll down this list here and click on any particular server. I find it easier to do the settings up here. Okay. Step 6. If you have not got the internet browser Mozilla Firefox, don't download this from the web. However, you could always use Internet Explorer if you prefer. So what we need to do is go back to the web, and if you haven't got Mozilla Firefox, this is Mozilla Firefox, I'm using this here. If you haven't got it, just type in Mozilla Firefox download into Google and pick the first thing that comes out. And then you just click this to download the browser. Return to the proxy software and click the icon Install Firefox Extension. Miss this step if you plan to use Internet Explorer. So let's go back to the software. Here there is a button up here called Firefox Extension Installation, so let's click that. The Firefox extension has been installed. It will be loaded on next start to the Firefox browser. Okay, so what I need to do is close and open my Firefox again. Before I do that, I'm just going to copy the email from me so I can refer to this quickly later in the demonstration. And then I'm going to close Firefox. Close, close, and then restart. Step 8. In the proxy software, connect to your home country location and then open your internet browser. So let's go to the identity cloaker and then hit connect. I'm connecting here to the UK. Given I'm already in the UK, let me connect to the US. Connect. And there we are, connected to the US. You'll see that this comes up with this connection and the proxy switch will be in 60 minutes. When we've reopened Firefox, we get the add-ons and we can see that we have the add-on for the software. Now when we go to Google, we get this message here. Sometimes you won't get this, sometimes you will. We have one other step to do. We need to go to Tools, Options, and this is to do with the proxy. So we need to go to Network. These are the options. These are the tabs. Click Advanced, click Network, click Settings. And at the moment this is on manual configuration. We want Auto Detect Proxy Settings for this. In fact, sorry, let's use System Proxy Settings, this one here. Okay. Now let's refresh that page. Now that's requiring a authentication request. Simply that's the username and password that I supplied you in the email. Let me go back to that email. Here's the copy of it. And you can see the username here. So let's copy the username and the password across here. We put the username in and the password. This will be required every time you try to connect using the cloaking software. Let's connect. Ignore this. And there we are. We're connected now to google.com, and that means we've done this step. Step 9, you'll be asked for a username and password. Just return to the email and enter the details provided. And congratulations, you are now connected to your home country server. Try it out by visiting a common online TV provider to ensure you are no longer receiving the restricted error message.